how to log in or apply for Grubhub or sign up to the Grubhub app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can log into Grubhub or maybe apply for a Grubhub account and sign in, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you are thinking of using Grubhub and now maybe you want to log in or maybe create an account, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is, first of all, make sure to launch the Grubhub application here. Once you launch the Grubhub application over here, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you'll find this option known as sign in, and then you want to just make sure to tap the sign in option here. And as you tap on the sign in option, all you have to do is simply make sure to enter the email address that maybe you want to start using Grubhub with. So what you want to do is just make sure to enter it up here, tap the continue option. Now if it says please try again later, there are a couple of things you can do. Instead of this, what you can do is you can just sign in with your Google, Facebook or your Amazon account. But if that process works for you, that's fine. But if not, you can choose to simply create an account or log in using your Google account. And then after that, just tap on your Google account that maybe you might want to connect. Then after you've done that, you should definitely be able to go ahead and sign into your account respectively. This way you can apply for Grubhub. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.